morning. It's not really that cold. I guess I'm in the basement right now. I am looking at the freezer if it's working properly. 37. That's not really that cold. So we have meat, we have vegetables in there, and we are run out. We're gonna go out now to bring the trailer back because we can't have the trailer for the whole day. Why the light is on? Okay, where is he? Where is he? Hold on, guys. I thought he's here. I give him the thing. What are you doing?
What's wrong with this?
Why?
No, I should not let me in control.
Okay, we're outside. We're outside right now. Okay. There, guys, we're returning. It's right here. This is all for rent. So we just put it back. Tommy's right out there. I don't know if you can see him, but he is right here. And the guy is taking off the thing. And I don't know if you guys can see that birds up there. Ooh, you can see it. Long time no see from you guys. Time check, it's 2:41. The last time I talked to you, that was this morning, right? In the other house. So yeah, time check, it's 2:41 in the afternoon.
Yes, I drop off the trailer at 7:30 in the morning.
Oh yeah, didn't know that. Oh yeah, that's the last time I talked to you guys in the trailer. Drive over here, drive to the doctors. Now we're done. I go to grocery, go to post office. We just left post office.
To the post office.
Yeah, and what else?
We'll go to Costco, then we'll go to the ShopRite, Stop and Shop, whatever, right out of the place.
Yep.
Come back, and then we're gonna pack up the dogs, and we're gonna drive back up there. Then I'm gonna turn around and drive back down here.
You can drive it later, you know, in the morning.
I'm not driving.
Huh?
I'm not driving down in the morning. Too much stress. I want to be relaxing before I go to work. I don't want to be like stressed out.
Like, you know, like 12 o'clock, no traffic. No, you can't go to sleep. You have to go to sleep.
That is stupidity. What? This is why I married my wife. She had extra. So this way I get a lot. Watch that face, guys. Watch that face. I see that face all the time.
All the time. Because he's always like that. But after grocery, we have to go to groceries. Costco and Stop and Shop.
And I gotta get some kind of pies or something from Costco. I gotta have some dessert just in case. Okay. We got no dessert. Either they're not good. I think they are. I think you're wrong. I've had their stuff.
Oh, they have a nice seafoods here. Look at this. Nice seafood area. We're ready to go, guys. Tommy is still looking for Roxy. Roxy doesn't want to get out from under the table. So Tommy is trying to get her. Oh, Tommy's here now. Okay, hold on, guys. Anyway, guys, we are here in the traffic going to the house, and the dog is in the back. It's not close to us right now. They're in the very back because we have a ton of foods. We have a ton of food. So if you see the dog's head right there, that's Roxy's head. Roxy, stop eating my lemongrass. So yeah, he is right there, and now he put his head down. In the video today, guys, I'm gonna have my phone back today. It's been a week, Tommy says. It's been 1 week that I don't have the phone, and we're sitting in the traffic. Look at it. It's red over there. If you can see red there. Sorry, guys, the car is very dirty. Once I have this car, before we're gonna have this car, I'm gonna let Tommy clean the outside first. car wash. So anyway guys, I will see you in the next, I will see you in the house guys.
The next life.
What? Don't say that, Han.
The next.
Hana, oy, knock the wood, oy. We're driving, Han.
You said the next.
No, next, you know, to the house. God, you always, you know what? Just knock the wood. There's no wood here. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the house. My husband is being something. See you, bye. I am very like a walk, guys. Oh, my hair is everywhere, and oh my God, I have my phone now. I have the phone right here. The same case, the same phone, black. No cover, no protection, because they don't take the one that I have from my old phone. And so right now it's already time check 7:14, and we're still on the road to go to our house, and we're at Walmart right now. If you wanna see, yep, we're at Walmart. Yeah, so I'm still low, but I probably find my other battery here. Let's see. Time is go inside Walmart, because I can't, how do you call that, I can't go in there because we have puppies inside, and yeah, probably this dog is hungry. And yeah, Roxy, I yelled at her because she climbed up like crazy. She jumped in the back seat, and we have ton of food in there. So she get yelled, and she get freaked out because she get yelled. She get, you know, she's afraid she get punishment. I do feel bad, but I get stressed out every time I'm with the dog in the car, because I kind of worried about what they feel. They're stressed, and I am stressed too, thinking about them. I don't like knowing that they're kind of nervous, afraid what happened to them, you know. Tomorrow is working, and he's still gonna drive back to the city. It's a really hectic day. Oh my God, I just put the other battery, but it's low bat too. What the heck? I forgot to charge these batteries. Okay, it's still low bat. But anyway guys, we got here a while ago, and Tommy got a red tablecloth because it's Christmas Eve, but there's nothing in Walmart. There's nothing. And when I went to where's that Bed Bath and Beyond, they don't have the size that we're looking for, and the size that we are not looking for, it's 50-60 bucks. So Tommy decided to get on Walmart. Hi guys, I forgot to end this vlog. I mean, it's not just forgetting. We get home. This vlog, guys, it's not ending properly because that day we came home very tired. Vlog is just while I was filming, the battery just died, because you know the battery was dying, and the two batteries. So, and then we just went to bed. Today is 24, so tomorrow is Christmas. So probably you will see. Okay, I'm gonna make it later. So probably you will see this vlog the next day, today's vlog, because this vlog that you're watching right now, the previous one, is from the other day. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog properly. And yeah, so I kind of miss right now. I was cooking since this morning, and I haven't shower yet, because you know what, my shoulder is hurting me. I was cooking. You will see this in my next vlog, you know, that I was cooking stuff for Christmas. And yeah, so that's all I can tell you. And tomorrow Tommy is coming tonight with the two cats, so you will see that also in my other vlog. That means the next day. It's not a long vlog because we've been running crazy that day. So I got my phone back. Yeah, there's no screen protector yet because we don't get any screen protector. I'm gonna read the people who comment. There is few people commented the vlog, and I'm gonna shout out to you guys. This is the vlog that a little bit excited. That's the vlog, the previous vlog that you seen. Tense Maple. Hi Tense Maple, thank you for the comments. And also to Rosel Dincy. Hi Rosel Dincy. Hi Rosel. Thank you always for your all comments every vlog. You always comment even though in my Facebook. And also to Juvelita. Hi Juvel. And thank you also. It's Lalabs. I like that name. Lalabs. It's Lalabs. I'm gonna say thank you to my friend Cora Jackman, always leave me a nice message. And also, I'm gonna say thank you to the resident alien's wife. Hi sis. And Mal Tumbongera, hi Mal, long time no talk to you. It's been a while. It's been a long time. And also, I was really busy lately. As you know, it's like we were like crazy busy. And also to lovely ma'am and Inday Gudiday. Hi Inday. How's Australia? Inday. And Charmy family. Hi Charmy family. And hi Ima Firais. Thank you for watching and always leaving me a comment. And to Beth, Peter girl. Hi Beth. Thank you Beth sa card. Thank you. And yeah, thank you sa card. Wala yung kakuan na ni Beth. Oh, anyway, about the money that we found. I'm just gonna add into this vlog also the money that we found at Best Buy, the parking lot at Best Buy. I don't know about that yet. I don't know about that what happened because my sister-in-law is trying to find the owner of the Tesla. The car is Tesla, and yeah, so hopefully they can find it or not. I don't know what she gonna do. Maybe she just gonna have the money, you know. I'm not sure she found the money. It's not me, so that's really it, guys. So thank you all guys so much for watching my vlog, and I really do appreciate it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys. Bye. Good night. Good night. Night guys. Sakit ng ano ka guys, wait ko. Wait, sakit. So anyway guys, bye.
Dada, it's really like, oh my god, Dada wants some bunsi bunsi. There is a lot of bunsi bunsi out there, and the